Hi, my name's Jim Tedesco, and I'm the Senior Vice President of Inside Sales and Worldwide Renewals here at Veeam Software. As you may have heard, Veeam is the fastest growing vendor in the backup and replication space. Businesses, both large and small, rely on Veeam to automate how their data is managed so that they can increase productivity and innovate faster. We're headquartered in Bar, Switzerland. We have offices in 30 countries. We're currently doing business in 142 countries around the world. Our North American offices include Atlanta, Boston, Phoenix, and Columbus, Ohio. During our 12-year history, we have over 300,000 customers, and we add approximately 4,000 new customers each month with an average of 35% growth each quarter, which is about 5.5 times the industry average. We estimate there are about 16.3 million VMs backed up by Veeam Software each and every day. I've worked for Veeam for nearly 4 years now, and I'm even more excited today about working here than I was 4 years ago. Working here really gives me a feeling of accomplishment, purpose. I matter. What I do matters. What my team accomplishes matters. It's all very exciting. Our digital sales folks, inside sales, are responsible for the entire sales lifecycle, from initial qualification and needs analysis, benefits, solution positioning, demonstration coordination, third-party collaboration, and yes, closing the deal. We do this across all digital platforms: email, chat, inbound, outbound phone calls, and via our partner network of pro partners and alliance partners like Cisco, HP, NetApp, VMware, and Microsoft. If you're new to sales or just getting started in the industry, this is the company you want to be at. We will turn you into a very accomplished and successful sales professional. Our culture is exciting. It's fun, fast-paced, vibrant, challenging, and rewarding. So if you're ready to come to Veeam and begin your career in sales, we're excited to meet you. To me, sales greatness comes with your level of motivation to succeed. Being a self-starter, aggressive, focused, and enthusiastic to build your career in sales is key. Veeam lays the foundation for our new hires to truly flourish in our sales environment. We work hard to ensure your success. Let's build something Veeam amazing together.